Muscle and classy, 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 muscle and
every day I ride, got my top down cruising, super sport and a 36. What you see? Every day, oh yeah, every day I ride, got my top down cruising, super sport and a 36. What you see? Every day, oh yeah.
Muscle and classy, muscle and classy, muscle and classy, muscle and classy.
Family, it's your big brother E.RED, and welcome to Muscle and Classics, the road to Sema. That's right, join us as we broadcast live this entire week from Sema 2018. But up first is everybody's favorite, Friday Night Drags. It's time for Friday Night Drags. Alright family, make sure you check out Nicholas of Nicholas Performance and his badass RX-7 on a new season of No Prep King. Up next is Nicholas' nephew driving a bad minion. Shout out to Robert and STP Racing for another great season off the tree. Time to bring the nitro bikes out. It's the legendary Marlboro Man. You see it. Up next, family, it's the rundown. Alright fam, that'll do it for Friday Night Drags. Up next, we go inside our home garage, Atlanta Auto Restoration. Muscle and Classics family, join us as we hit the road headed to Las Vegas, Nevada for Sema 2018. Join us for a week of live remotes from our YouTube and Facebook pages, or just come on out and kick it with us. We'll see you at Sema 2018.
This is Tom, and you're watching Muscle and Classics.
What's up, y'all? This is Brandon with Atlanta Auto Restoration. Today we working on 69 Mark 1 fender. Looks like a door had shut on the edge of it, so we trying to bend that back out. Got a couple other little spots, you know, we gotta fix, but hey, that's what we do. That's what we here for. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in to Muscle Classics. Y'all have a good one.
Thanks, Brandon. We appreciate you, brother. Family, next month we will come back to Atlanta Auto Restoration for the start of a new project. Up next, we stop by Streetside Classics to check out a beast with Car Guy Chronicles, Tom Sloyd. We'll be right back.
Classic and muscle car owners looking for someone trustworthy to help you get back on the road? Let Atlanta Auto Restoration help you today. We specialize in frame-off restoration, sheet metal repair and replacement, engine and transmission replacement, interior body and paint, and much more in classic vehicles 1975 and older. Master mechanic and fabricator Mark Engel and team can restore and maintain your classic today. Find us on the web at atlautoresto.com or call 770-946-8949.
Hi, this is Bailey North, and you're tuned in to Muscle and Classics.
All right, welcome back. Muscle and Classics, Road to Sema. Today we are at Streetside Classics. We're taking a look at a 1959 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. 59 is the last year for the Task Force trucks, which started in 55 and then got replaced by the Apache line. This is the style side. Flare side truck, and being that this is the Road to Sema, we didn't want to do just any average truck. So let's go look under the hood and see what sets this truck apart. All right, so this 59 3100, it's got some extras done to it here. We've got a 4.8 liter Vortec motor with a twin intercooled turbocharger setup. And each turbo is capable of producing 600 horsepower. It's not tuned for max power right now, but you could easily get over 1,000 horsepower out of this setup. It's got a lot going for it. It's got an advanced cooling system, bigger aluminum radiator, push-pull fans. They've even gone ahead and gotten an AC system in here with the compressor mounted real low. You can't even really see it looking under the hood. It's got a 4L65E transmission that's been built so it can handle the power. It's feeding a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.50 gears, so it can cruise with the overdrive and that gearing, but it will still roast the tires. It's got wheel Vintique Steelies on it, 12 inches in the back. You'll see when we show you the rear of the vehicle. It's got to have that type of rubber in order to put the power down to the road. Suspension-wise, we've got a tubular A-arm set up and upper and lower control arms like you would have in a Camaro. And then out back, pretty much standard with that Ford 9 that I mentioned out back, but we do have traction bars just to kind of get rid of wheel hop and keep those wheels planted on the ground. When you got this much power, that's always going to be a challenge. All right, now let's go inside, check out the interior. We've got a full custom interior. They went through and did everything. This is actually a billet, the dash is a billet piece, so it's one piece of metal that they used to cut this dash. They filled it with some good looking gauges, modern gauges. You got an I Did It steering column with tilt wheel. This is a real beautiful seat, the Glide Engineering seat, and this is actually a leather and cloth setup. Low car shifter, vintage air and heat, so you don't have to be cold on those cars and coffee mornings. I like the little foldable armrest that they did with cup holder that can accommodate a modern cup. Push button start, so it's real clean, no keys hanging or dangling. Looks real nice, and I like the way they did the pedal setup where they didn't split the gas and brake around the steering column. Kind of a cool little touch with the bamboo look floor mats.
I agree, Tom. That was a nice touch. And I'm feeling that patina too. Well, family, join us on November 20th as we release our SEMA show, where we will pick up with the test drive of this beautiful 1959 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. After the break, we check out our Spotlight Driver of the Month. We'll be right back.
Are you looking for a classic car dealer you can trust? Meet Streetside Classics, the nation's #1 most trusted classic car dealer with 20 years experience in the industry, with indoor showrooms nationwide and financing and shipping worldwide. We deliver industry-leading sales volume and deal with the hassles, while you get no upfront or monthly fees, which means more money in your pocket. Streetside Classics. Let us sell your collector vehicle today.
Welcome back, family. You know what time it is. We are now inside the Spotlight Driver of the Month segment. And this month, we spotlight all the drivers from the Bandolero division and the Young Lions division. With so many skilled drivers on the track, family, it's hard to pick just one. So sit back, relax, and check out these young professionals at work. Up next, the Young Lions division. Alright family, and that will do it for the Spotlight Driver of the Month. We'll be right back. Okay family, that'll do it for this episode of Muscle and Classics. To follow us live at Sema, go to youtube.com/Muscle Classics or Facebook at Muscle and Classics. Until next time, keep God first and keep it in your own lane.